It's really the same thing. Just win as many games as possible. Just come in, same goals. Just come in and win as many games as possible. Play as hard as I can, and help my team win in every way, just every day. Well, nothing really special. I mean, I just try to shoot as much as possible, shoot a lot, take a lot of shots in practice, practice a lot. I wouldn't say I have any idol player or anything. I just try to be myself. Our goals, man, just like I said, our goals were to win every game that we can. We hit a really tough part of the season. We went. I think at one point we had 5 players injured at one time, so it was a really tough stretch for us. But we're a tough team, so we're just figuring it out. We're gonna do what we can for the rest of the year, go into the playoffs, just trying to win every game and get better every day. We really appreciate them. Their support means a lot to us, so we're just really happy that they're a part of our team and supporting us. Oh yeah, well I try to, nothing too specific, nothing there. I try to just work out, just try to weight lift and eat healthy, get enough sleep, so. Okay, yeah. I would say my high school coach, Coach Brownson, he helped me a lot with everything, and we won a championship together, so he helped me a lot. He's a really great guy. So, favorite player, I would say Allen Iverson, Kobe Bryant, both of those. Okay. My point guard would be Magic Johnson, shooting guard Michael Jordan, LeBron James, Dirk Nowitzki. 5 would be Hakeem Olajuwon. Yeah, Kai Sheka was, yeah, of course. I would say tough. We're tough. We've been through a lot this year, a lot of injuries, and we find a way to show up every night and play as hard as we can, so I would say tough.